Hi, very good afternoon. Alicia Khanna Associates, South Delhi Properties here to present you another video explaining what are the major points that you have to incorporate under an agreement to sell and how to validate your agreement to sell under the eyes of law. आप उसको enforceable कैसे बना सकते हैं? So the 5 major points that you have to keep in mind in terms of your agreement to sell is that you have to check the right description of the property that has to be mentioned in your particular agreement to sell जो आप बनवा रहे हैं. एक स्टैम्प पेपर इशू कराना उस पर्टिकुलर डेट का, बायर सेलर की डिटेल्स का बहुत बहुत जरूरी है टू मेक इट इन्फोर्सेबल अंडर द आइज ऑफ लॉ, बिकॉज दिस रजिस्टर्ड स्टैम्प पेपर is registered in the system of the government of NCT in order to make your agreement to sell a registered legal document. चाहे आप उस consideration value को zero रख के stamp paper 100 rupees का खरीद सकते हैं. The third important point is the map of the property, which is the sanction plan जो आपने well versed किया है और उसका सारा जिक्र आपने agreement to sell में दिया है. एक sanction plan approved property, एक sanction plan की entire details in pertainance to जो उसके अंदर numbers होते हैं या जो उसके अंदर सब कुछ incorporatedly MCD से पास होता है, ये सब mention होना एक agreement to sell में बहुत important है. The fourth point that you have to keep in mind in order to make your agreement to sell an important and enforceable document is the payment details, the consideration amount जो finalize हुआ है उसके अंदर से क्या payment exchange हुई है. Without a payment exchange between two people, the buyer and the seller, the agreement to sell stands frivolous and of course has no legal standing जब तक आपकी एक authenticated transaction which is a bank transaction जो दूसरे की उसमें क्रेडिट जरूर होनी चाहिए in order to prove that the agreement to sell stands validated and enforceable under the eyes of law. The fifth and the most important major point is that you have to keep in mind जब आप agreement to sell को draft करवा रहे हों, the entire preamble of the property, which means the entire description of the property from where the property has started and how the person who is now selling the property is the right person to sell you that property or not. क्या उसने भी पिछली वो रजिस्ट्री सेल डीड अपने नाम पे करवाई है, कैसे करवाई है, सही कंसिडरेशन अमाउंट देके कराई है, एक सर्कल रेट वैल्यू को क्रॉस नहीं किया है, अपनी स्टैम्प ड्यूटी एलिजिबल जो गवर्नमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग लॉज के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पे अप्लाई होती है वो उसने पे की है टाइमली, वो सब चीजें हुई हैं. So these are the 5 major points that you have to keep in mind in order for an agreement to sell stand validated and enforceable under the eyes of law. Please also understand in the recent cases that I'm now incurring, please do not write anything and everything that comes to your mind and you've just mentioned it for the heck of it that आप किसी भी agreement to sell को enforceable कराने के लिए कि किसी ने उसको timely payment नहीं करी तो हम इनका ये property ले लेंगे या हम इनसे ये कर लेंगे. All these stupid points should not be involved when you're making an agreement to sell. An agreement to sell is one of the most major starting point, what do you call, is the root of from where you start the property transaction. तो make sure करें agreement to sell को बहुत ही सही तरीके से एक सही प्रोफेशनल से बनवाना और एक सही तरीके से उसको वैलिडेट कराना, उसके लीगल पॉइंट्स को मद्देनजर रखना बहुत जरूरी है. So me here at South Delhi Properties try to help you and guide you in order to understand that a layman can also understand few points ताकि कोई भी broker या कोई भी person जो आपकी डील करा रहा है वो अगर खुद knowledgeable है तो it's fantastic, अगर नहीं है तो आप खुद भी कुछ चीजों के major points को अपने दिमाग में रख सकते हैं. Thank you so much for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep giving a thumbs up, and I'll keep coming back with more such meaningful videos comprising of legal points, main basics of how you buy a property. There's an entire series जो मेरे shorts पे चल रही है कि step by step property को कैसे खरीदें, उसको भी आप follow कर सकते हैं. Thank you so much. I'll keep coming back with more such meaningful videos for all of you. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep giving a thumbs up. And thank you so much for the tremendous love and support that you have given us. Thank you.